I really love this hairstyle. It's actually super cute. You will see me struggling to do it. Let's get started. Okay, I just took my hair out. It's been in like a bun for like 3 days, so it's so fun. Okay, literally the only things that you'll need or that I use, you can use whatever you want. The only things that I used is my PINTAIL comb, harder thing, and then just some rubber elastics. I like to use the black ones so that they blend in with my hair more. All right, let's get this started. Okay, for some reason I cannot do this hairstyle right now. I'm confused. What did I even do? Hold on, give me a second. Okay, boom, she did that. I don't even know my own hairstyle. I think it's because I did this hairstyle like randomly. Like I do that sometimes where I just like make up hairstyles as I go. I didn't even have like a plan.
Okay, so after I got my life together and I figured out how to do this hairstyle, I parted it to into a side part, and then I parted one section off by itself, and then I just started to flat twist that section just down to where my hair stops on my head. I think in the original video I didn't do them as tight as I did them in this video, but you can do it as tight or as loose as you want to. I think they look better a little bit looser, but they will like loosen up as you go sometimes. And then I just took my black elastics and I tied that part off. Okay, sorry, the top is kind of cut off, but I just took my parter and I started at the point of where like the part is, and I just did it at an angle and parted it down. And then I started to do the process of the flat twist again, just down to where my hair stops on my head. And you're just gonna repeat this step for the last 2 times. I did it a total of 4 times.
A good style. I can't believe I just struggled doing it, but you live and you learn. And now I understand your guys' POV. So I think it's really good for like, you know, day 3 and on hair, because I mean I would go out like this. Like I don't really care if my curls are defined all the time. So if you're that type of person as well, then do this. And if you're not, then just define your curls after you've done the hairstyle, you know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas to anybody that celebrates, and I will see you guys next time.